3 months. Your mama not last because of the stupidity of your mother. If you are matter, come and tell the world why your mama not last. Yes, we know say I react more than you are. But what happened to your mama before your mother died? Matter you dey carry a winner you dey less than year to year. No girlfriend, no pikin. You say you get children around you. We don't know where you take born. If I give my wife belle, they say the belle they grow small. They grow, they come. The more picture where you money make it now and you go one. Oh, go better Franco-Mozwa. Franco-Mozwa dey very well. Because they know they follow celebrities, they play game. I call they respect myself. You feel, say you feel they talk to the judge. We are soon. We are saying the judge are going to bujwe. Oh, go on bujwe, you know, Jenny. When on my special child, wait till I put to Kevin, your stepson. Why teeth for front, not day? I'm on my say 15 years. Why did break out the teeth? Why break your account? Is that not special child? Why your wife be a pass one where they use a glass? Once they know when I pass one, why your wife do they use a pass one eyeglass? How those eyeglass will be say, I have barely save a son. I have barely save a. You rich, you call the okuku your wife. The day of your so-called piccolo wedding, what you say you do. You are the only Nigeria don't person where I don't see where do piccolo wedding. Franco-Mozwa, who drink your beer for your party? People who drink my beer for my party, they watch me. Who come your party condo? Oyo Azowere, who is the musician that played? You say I live fake life. The only thing when people tell they love me today in a document, he goes still come. Every other thing, guy, see, I gallant. You feel am? I gallant. I have taken it upon myself not to throw my to Mama Sharon. Not because of Mama Sharon, because of Sharon baby papa. Now me can live on. DJ Jeff and Mama Sharon, they be blood relative. They be blood relative when make you this father. You always are you work both your way. Franco-Mozwa, you be like saying witchcraft. Now you forget all the things you say you get. You say you get pikin. Which pikin you get? No, Babu. I beg about. Where is the child? Franco-Mozwa, I want to see. Where is for the born your children? Where we don't know. Now worldly. Now life like this physically, let me for the born my own. You get where you go keep your children where we don't know. Because me understand. You the saga at the sagbon. Where you use 40,000 euro to carry only hoe. The matter come that day we rest. People don't reach party, they rest. Where my everybody? Because you lack content. Here, Kevin, may I put on a picture? You made the seal now. Yeah, well, you I remote bell. You see this marriage? People where they media, where they Facebook, my TikTok family. More than list yo, this stupid boy that calls himself Franco-Mozwa is 39 years old. When he married this useless woman, when Morocco don't use it to totally learn for Italy, then in a meander from 39, it could say be 48. Beautiful couples, where no get sense. Beautiful couple. Come on, get out of here. Blood Jesus, get out of here. Before I block you, wait. You can't take it. I tell the beautiful couple, a woman that have went to 4 different husband house. Now this one is the boy said that to the call 4 different husband house with 4 kids. 4 different husband house with 4 kids. First husband for 1 kid, second husband for the other kid. It is why you be alone. Franco-Mozwa, you are blocked. Why you do marriage? The children that was surrounded by you. Alpha, are you born? Wabia. The children that was surrounded by you. Wabia. No, what be you born? The children where this idiot oh, why they forget this woman's name? Is it Agmotia? Yes. Juliet. The children were born for different men. You are the 5th husband of this single mother with 4 children, 4 father. If na another person for presenter, now I get this kind of wife and know what you for do. Share this video. Almost we're going to be almost we're going to be If now another presenter like me, now get this guy 4 children, 4 different father, I know what you would have done. Frakomoswo, your stupid, useless Juliet Agmotan or David Yao. The family neglected her because she left 96, 94. My people, 1994 till now, calculate time. 1994 till now, calculate time. You carry person mama come, you dey insult the person mama. The person try to reach you, you not pick. Who are you? And they see people they talk, say, who is this boy? I want to know. Who is this stupid boy? 1994 till now. How old is that? You just never passed 30 years. 1994. Not past 30 years. What it be 20? What it be 31? What it be 29? 31 years. This useless woman never enter play once. Frakomoswo, bring your woman achievement. Bring her on social media. For 34 years, I be 31 years. Where is idiot? This one Iyorama set with the answer blue head. This is Iyorama set. Now the same time they take on. As we speak today to tomorrow, this useless woman will come on social media and start saying, a man which will prick, single mother, don't settle for less. So if you want to see the prick, it's there my backup page. Or is a way on a may you see how some people for this Europe. May you see some of them not get sense. Person which will prick. They go still go a platform. No know what they do there. Or no one be careful. As this boy come mumu rich, he get to get friend plus this idiot woman, aka Desperado. He put them for WhatsApp. Not where they know they talk. One way they call Sylvia come expose her last year. Most well, now like this cat last year I take beat you black and blue. And you're already now. Even swear when was my boy now, go back every day why boy. Because if you let us talk about, I will not tell you no, really, real men, you are not a man. You not feel born boy, you not feel born gay. The stepchildren where you get, this woman picking where they call Kevin, where he born for Igbo. This woman deported her ex-husband. I'll post the picture now. He deported Guas. Igbo never return bride price when he know this idiot. As stupid and desperate as Mama Kelvin. He say make he sit down. Frakomoswo say make he sit down. He call the makeup and this is cuckoo. And Frakomoswo down. I want to ask now one question. Una don't ever see man make up his wife on a wedding day. In the Son Jesus, the video there, I want to expose this idiot. He make up and now he do this cuckoo for her. Not be woman do am. Now he use. I dey ask a question, yes or no. Una don't ever say am. Okay. If now that person do this thing, he will talk. Okay. Frakomoswo, you not still see money. Give person. Make they take do makeup for the day where you say you want to for house as a wife. Mona see this woman mat. Mona see face. A woman's speckles is judged by a mat. Mona see this woman mat. Mona from there convert her to speckles. Exchange rate be fast. Let me fair. Where you dey? Tap where you dey? Let's convert this woman's mat to a speckles. How speckles go be so dirty, so stinking, so smelly. Woman, what to don't tired, to don't weak. Now this one go put for us. See, I'm a hero. He said they never take for the toto. For this kind of toto, you imagine saying a young girl of 30 something. Now you see, go for saying I this virgin now. If I would this boy go fit tell saying I this virgin this woman, if I tell Ramudia, now wait. Ramudia, when I wait. This is my family. This is Papa Nora. This is Mama Nora. This is Etiosa. And they talk from this side now. Or may I talk from this side? This is Nora. This is Odion. This is Ovi. And this is my last one, Etiosa. Full family. DNA. 100%. Now me born these ones. If they call me Papa Nora, they go call my wife Mama Nora. But in the case of this mogul, if they call her Franco Moswell, they go call this one Mama Kevin. This idiot will come and say, I'm a married man. Now tell us, how are you a married man when you don't have a child that carries your name? I pass you, I cannot pass you. But I'm worried. Oh, if you carry your to don't be me. Yamu worry 5 minutes. Now you will be Yamu worry. My sister, I'll bring you come back. Yamu worry. I'll put it in the next 5 minutes. I dey give now the illustration. Okay, put plus 21. Oh, why good jare? When me wale laughing me you did the name plus 21. Good idea. This woman have a grown-up daughters in Nigeria. We're born for 2 different men. As we speak right now, Mama Kelvin using math to talk and say, "Yeah, children know they play." Not be saga. He using math talk and saying yeah, children know they play because those 2 daughters not support. She marry Franco Moswell. You know, say the insult now. Somebody will come tell you now, you way you don't Nigeria. Mama will come tell you for a brother say one marry Franco Moswell. Does it sound stupid? It sounds stupid. So the children was against their mother. Till today, they only play. Now they talk about people. The day when they do for stars never travel for flight. All their shower where this woman do, he do one for Italy. Italy. On my life flight today. Or over Spain. Or over yeah, but on my Nigeria day. Romania. That they call this girl so. You know what they call her? This idiot. When you're here, these Romanian people, all these Albanese, you know what they call her? Amore mio. I will tell her the reason why the meal day. Because if you dey below this woman, it is our way. Juliet. Amore mio. Okay. See. Our bag. See. Oh, yeah, I'm your I almost water my neighbor. Well done with you. Because this idiot boy are always getting too much. Making you have a boys is Zorobot. Because you feel say you strong, you tight. Let's do this. Now, what is no? I tell not this boy. I will explain. My presenters wasted their Facebook. They'll constantly talk whether they lie. This woman here, after I don't do, I'm with me, because I was trying to explain today. My wife called the talk put. I don't want me, my wife talk put. So I'm mad to my issue. The flan, I will explain. Either Gog, family, nobody they ask for again. Our compassion was Facebook. Now me supposed go for, me don't marry. He go tranquilo. This woman supposed to go for Ajebo. She said it with her mouth, say, he too love me. Videos day, people they follow, they come for Facebook, no. Not beside they carry the talk, say na saga. She said she loves me so much. Meaning, it don't take away the army. But based on saying, me na come married man, me no reach hand. It cost it go for Ajebo. Ajebo is a married man too. Now, he no can't get choice now to go for Franco Moswell. He called the right Franco Moswell. Based on say, me don't fair use gay to set Franco Moswell up. Yes, people they follow the call for Facebook, no say yes. The records are there. I know they lie. So when I call you get set them up, when this idiot know for Kester, African store for Palestine, now for use the get set them up. I call they play the audio. So he was now careful not to fall into another trap of a Enogie matter. This idiot called the right hand. Hi, hello, how are you? Franco Moswell, no man. Do you know what this useless, desperate woman did? He picking. When I say picking, wait, teeth not dey. Now, when I say this is picking, so wait, teeth not dey in mat. No go out, the shop the avant. He can't dress the picking. Can't put cap, bead for your head. He can't begin the tell picking, say make it picking they do. Go say stand well, stand well. I'll stand. See. A B D A F E G K L M N C P. You go video is some. You go send that gift from Oswald. Oh God. What that yo? When you talk about this happening, me I want to tell story of them so that make everybody you share their disgrace. Share your disgrace here. Share your disgrace. Share your disgrace here. Share your disgrace. Share disgrace. What is you know? Go video a picking. Go send them for Oswald. What am I trying to say? This useless woman here use that picking way teeth not correct format. Take toast from Oswald. When you listen to the way some women tell me move for abroad, when he can't use the picking take toast and how Frank Oswald can't take 4 put. Frank Oswald can say which picking way go to Europe, Italy for that matter. He not read uno, due, three, quattro, cinque, sei, sette, otto. He not read 1, 2, 3 for Italy. He dey read ABD for Benin. That's what called they interested in the boy. When I was called they interested in the boy, he called the react the woman. I can say he don't tell me the right time. Almost will come carry this boy picture, video, post her for social media, for Facebook. Meanwhile, one woman, may I so rest in peace, where they call Abia one of your she did America. This boy here, so they call from Oswald. Now Jama base in February before. He did state journey before with Oibo. Oibo no work out. If Oibo go work, he go carry phone, face each other, face body. He go talk. Oibo was scared. Say maybe he's a mental patient. May you not go use knife by him. Oibo can't tell me come out. If you see this Oibo, the Oibo is what? 69 years old. Oh, the write down. When you want to come out now, no document. You not get. Nothing. For that few weeks, when this idiot spend for Germany, because they do a live video for outside. For him to still look for where go relax, because they do live video for outside. He called they call one of our colleague, we get Swedish passport. Make that one give her a passport, make it take go Italy. Now keke na pep share this video. Go gbere from Oswald. Now keke na pep. Now from Oswald take meander enter Italy. When he reach Italy, meanwhile I already know this he girlfriend, he lady friend where they call Abiyuwa. May I so rest in peace. The woman not there now. When he know Abiyuwa, he open office for Abiyuwa head. Again of Guana. He can't take advantage of that woman to extract money from that woman. Because they do that woman. She true. When he offer enter Italy, that woman pay for 2 months hotel for this ungrateful bastard. 2 months hotel. Now no waiting in me for woman to pay hotel for you. This boy must have been dressed before. May I so rest in peace because they tell us, you know they see the way no get a dress. Because they buy this boy cloth. Meanwhile, he get one more they come Mama Ego. Frank Oswald, come they follow Mama Ego. Based on he use that one to do godmother. And I share this video. He use that one to do godmother. He say he sleep with that one, but only mama know way, so I can't talk about that woman. Person when they do godmother, can't still be friend to a girlfriend with the America. He can follow that one by land, which is this Mama Ego. As he follow Mama Ego by land, according to him, Mama Ego say dash and land, say no back. But now no for Oswald, say that person with the pride. He no back. Based on say Godson, godmother, then that one take dash for Oswald land. For Oswald call they play this woman. Wait, the American now she don't late. She late this year. I think March or February. Come they extract money. Plus the one way they saw people for social media. Come they build the house for Lagos. So what it can happen? Because God get the way it they do it. Power tap. Take me to 100,000. When he come finally, meanwhile, he don't already get affair with this one, so when they come and mark Kevin. He not let the one with the American know. You know, say he no fit cover secret for too long. That one with the American come no say, Franco Muswell, they cheat on her. As that woman confront her, Franco Muswell started to saga that woman. Franco Muswell contributed 90% to that woman's death. Because before she died, she watched Franco Muswell live video. She was not blackmailing this woman emotionally. Though, then, may I so rest in peace, she still reached out to me. I still defended her to keep this woman mind with that. So, may I so rest in peace, we will not talk again, to calm her mind down, because Franco Muswell, if you not shop that woman, with the American, he go shop that woman reach like 200,000 euro. But you know, see what he use the money do. One of the listing. Because this woman with that so was a cheerful giver. Now, the woman come confront him. Franco Muswell say, in a man. So, now, in love her. See the sense we want use for the American woman. This one, the Italy. If you come, he go first to see you. That one say, not be me and you. Correct, come. As stupid as Franco Muswell, he don't even think about the good way that the American lady they do for her. He come as I call it threatening the American lady to the extent of the man where that the American girlfriend born for, which is Samutaka generator. He say me they want that woman make stay clear from her. Say marriage don't be by force. Say don't marry. Who marry so? This is the day. This is the day where they go 68 years next year. So the woman was emotionally down. You know now, woman of that age, the woman not the advance. If you say Franco Muswell love her, you don't know say Franco Muswell you're the scoper. If the woman did live video, you can't give her stars. I talk about Facebook. And you see this boy so. Two people that don't die for a neck. One died for live stream. She buy beer you are. You buy beer you are. May I so rest in peace. He leave the one way get money, follow the one way not get money. The godmother why call the tell na just now come the advice and say, this woman too old for you. This woman too old for you. Why you not just softly deal with Abia you are? He say, why godmother go to talk to her like that? May godmother not try again for a life. By so doing, he can't give this the girlfriend the strength to tell the saga he godmother. Person where the saga he godmother, no I see I tell more where make me give her Franco Muswell. The house when they build Franco Muswell no know. Key not deal with her. Landed document not deal with her. He deal with his godmother. For this idiot to collect those landed properties first, he begin the saga he godmother. Say godmother na your person. He say well we put driver for Germany. Say na godmother to call the knack. Married woman. Naki toto. No stop there. Now that we converse. Okay. For this simple reason. That your ass is dog way. Now people, as I talk to her today, so Franco Muswell will not get ass. You know why God punished her like that? Because he duped that woman in America to build a house in Lagos. God will punish her. He can't go put her for godmother hand. Till today, Franco Muswell will not get ass. As we speak right now, that one can still go to one side. He say again on that house, Mona tell me bring her come aside. Franco Muswell papa house there is a Gabo community. This is a useless boy where he never one day agree. Say they do juju. Before this woman, he get friend there for America. He get friend send us videos and voice records of how he did do juju for Fracomoso Papa with pig and some other items where the gods of the land want. Meanwhile, if Papa don't sick that time, if they accuse me, since all this way I said they do juju. But when he call they do juju, when he cast, he come one cover him. I can't laugh. Already we know say they do juju on and on. Because the people winning the fight for social media, it's too many. You don't even know where. If this boy died today now, you don't know where the death for coming. You don't know. Because people too many when you don't match on their toes. Me, I know when to stop. Did you just beg me the other day? You know get where it matter now. Arrest. You see this idiot, anyway. He go want to say that he no pass and he know nothing. He's a stupid boy. I prick take come out. He get one of my goddaughter what they call Becky. He ex-girlfriend. That one break up with her finish. He said now he break up with that one. Okay. This useless boy come on social media, they cry for start. He say he ex-girlfriend they call Becky. If he first start. He said if you not bring the 4 bottles of start, wait till for years. Stout. He calls himself Frank Omozo. He calls himself Papa with the Chris. Because I cannot refer to you as Papa with a smile. He called the saga me and the girl. Not be. Because if you don't drink, you all know say you don't drink. Nana. You know call they drink, they do live video again. Before, if you don't drink, I want a life. Otalo. On that very good day when he pre-come out. Or you say, well, made. The way I see trouser again. I see joy trouser. Because they feel a big prick. One come out. Because the way they do say na mine and ma. The way they describe women to talk say in the night they oh daddy, yes daddy. Because they feel a prick he gets. One knows a pin no. When he for each other, we not see prick. He no know say don't we prick. After don't draw finish, people will smart quickly screen record them. If I come get charger, they don't screen record small prick. He no know. When I got they use the video, take the beat and that same night, it can go wrong. Delete the video. Meanwhile, the prick already there with us. Now there, people call the color small prick. You know there, some women constantly go the data and they fool themselves. But at the end of the day, it can saga all of them for social media, except one, what they call Sylvia. That one pretend because he can't like give that one say he not get girlfriend. At the end that one cause him marriage. Despite say people not come the marriage, that woman the girl being he must feel him. Now they get called the medal. Fracamoso can say abego, he love him. That one can pretend say he love him. Till record him. Till today, till tomorrow now, fear never still let him talk to that one they call Sylvia. That's what they do. Fear, no, they let her talk to that one. When they do this video, my people, nobody will not get will feel fat for them. But you see, Fracomoso a person when he be say he's depressed and frustrated. All these things when I say they do, sometimes not be mad. See, I take frustrate. May I show one reason of his frustration. Is this not my family? Well, yes, power tap. Take me to 100,000. Is this not my family? Yes, this is my family. This is what he wanted, but he can never have it. Till he can never have a complete family like this. Now jeans and pants he go the wear. He can never have a jeans and jeans family. See the one when he get. See. The two boys will stand with her. The day when they do this, their piccolo wedding. Not be bonding. You know, even if they call them my son, someone ask and say, which hospital they for born now? I take born his son. I get her. Put your hand on your head and pray. My Father, my God, may I not be stupid like Franco Moswell. You not born Peking. You call it tell us say you born Peking. Oh, go way. You not born Peking. You dey friend your mother. No mean say that you come born Peking. Yes, we know say if they date single mother, you love your children. And that one you dey do. The money where you dey saw people where they make so you dey use that to feed your stepchildren. Tomorrow, if they grow, if they want marry, to go look for their father. Igbo kwenu, kwezwenu. Igbo children, they want to play. They love their father there. You are already living a wasted years. Because for now, for you to rethink, may you look for a woman where you go fit give belly, where you go call your own. You say you don't need picking. Amen to all your prayers. May you not have children on your life because you don't even know the value. And you will be single mother when they watch this video. You see the way they insult Percy picking because of one man will not born for. As a single mother, don't you ever settle for less. If not, now the kind is grace. When Mama Kevin they collect because of Franco Moswell today, now you go they collect. Are you ready to collect this disgrace or not? If no, watch well before you go into a relationship with any man. If not, the regret what this useless woman they regret now be say, if not go fit break the relationship. Because now you speaking take those Franco Moswell. Where is the Vivier? Where are they? You cannot come up. This is the part one of his story. If I still say body to cash out, then I'll come tell on the part two of the story. Did you enjoy the story? If yes, you enjoy the story, please power tap and share this video. If you live here, not club, what do club? What do view bonnet? Oh, be Lily baby. Have a Lily baby. Have a Lily baby. You love the story. Good and fine. Be all these ones. Iba mo pari ni. On a vie.
Hey, Salobois. Et pardon, moi.
Ouais, ma bon.
Baba, quand tu as sorti, on a vu de Facebook d'Ayana.
Okay. In case if I forget, you want me tonight?
You know, fish Saga and don't blog. You know that lady. You know fish Saga.
Mujane, when Mutia. Eka when the game away. Eka Franco.
Mommy, viens.
On a vu des games à West, yo. Moi, je suis avec qui envoyé,
you see, not shame for you. I think they come out, they talk. You know, they get shame.
I'm not going to go sorry to I don't
shame.
I'm also Obiane make a market no polo. Understand? Because they cannot when nobody never hear beg you where a code of polo will be on day. Piccolo.
Yeah, but we're saying you can talk. If you talk, Matt.
Oh, now when the game I was seeing, people. Mama, can a DJ just if you where you were okay, I won't agua better. Whenever a TV of Bera, agua bear you are. No, Mama. Oh, bien à ma wa bel wa bo fie kun le lue wa o ugu me be nu we kere be o ma e de ticket no awie Germany de na me o we flash nu gbe o from Roma to mi ati ne na wo mi atiene nebo ne Palestina kake me atiene nebo no pa yi e city no pa ni ayewodo
Radio
Emilia from Roma to Radio Emilia na agwa be you aragbon
Okay, na Panama.
aragbon wa bera wa bi you ahun dan no mama nu ohu aragbon alaluwe wo pa laluwe wo pa mu kiafu anu gbe o aragbon abie yi wa wo last year wo ile so egbe o so egbe ne wo ri so egbe nu gbe o aragbon ni ino gba wa gbo aragbon wa gbe o aragbon o vie na ma e aragbon o vie na ma e o ku o era ju obo eku emu enu gbe o aragbon abie yi wa era ju obo abie yi wa zerera o vie omila no omila ni na vie abie yi wa vie o ne ba o ma ero ogbera always you want to do ya wana ki ogun egbe you are your brothers you are not enemies
the same you speak pidgin English the same you speak pidgin
pidgin English your word do man do for my look me negi ori ya to ta wodo ati ori ene esa get do yen se ati ori my people make una say o abeg you one na the lady abeg you one here dog man here he don go be so rest in peace abeg you one na he go as he go here abeg you one he buy coffee for papa Moswo he do burial he do everything for am as we speak his son here as I dey talk to una so he Franco Moswo his brothers and his sister they no dey do things together here lewegbe do ya ni ka do things together ni e ma ni lewegbe ivi je no hwe eyakin unhudan. Did you know the meaning of unhudan in pidgin English? Unhudan is a bade on your unhudan no babe. What bear you are agbon. Where you look the judge, where you look yourself, who good to pass it? Who good pass it? No bear agbon. Oh, mama. Come, may you take care of the way you take the fat. You don't good or your prick too small to the fat like that. Oh, very soon your prick, your piccolo will all disappear. What bear you are agbon. Yago, what make you one there? Where be I? Oh, work your pure water, where do not buy your pure water, buy your pure water, sister, buy your pure water. And then me have a Nigeria. Upokupola ni in Nigeria, make the pure water of both when who bear backbone. Who are not yakbon do cocoa, Iviere. Oh, Iviere, no make cocoa, Ivibo, you yammy, oh, cocoa. What bear you are backbone. You are both here, cool, you know, but what boy backbone, Vikia. So. Akono we atitik boko ya wa kon we are the say tit cast be so go boso saga gaga le de lu we ba we e bo ada we ba we
thank you
mo wa ku we TikTok na wa gbe o
ni wa
ogbe egwa baba fi ekun lele unwe di jeje for to gbe hun ma ni bi edokin atogun we to gbe hun ma ya to gbe no gbe o agbon no gbe wo no obi hun tan
yes obi ye me thank you hello
Good evening.
I greet you
Pado.
where see my brother wa ma wagbon
This your story is sweet, but you not drip on me today.
we pam here ya am we pam
Pado eat.
really right yeah ana hit
Pado.
the sugar do nia we have do na
No, Pado. Pa you fresh.
my brother
Pa you ripe
we see today now men wayari ke pado how you bo me here when I tell you say robo we dey do robo we not get to sing that song pado my phone I said best get small prick the only thing when I fit tell me pado why pado atemena we are telling your way not be only pado na ipa uno we are teta ipa uno nonsense your boy even DJ Jeffrey. If not, I'll come and tell them because putting your picture here is a state to me. That picture will platform you. My platform will for the help people. But the way they oppress DJ Jeff is too much because they feel saying on the talk. If you know they boy you well now, may you go baptism now. We are here baptism. Ye sharo ma mio ya we godfather ne Niger. Ona go gbe na gun fi no mo ki afọ ya we godfather. Call madam. Ye sharo do. No bele people go dey tell me do. Ye sharo do. You don't see person do godfather. No. E wa ya we godfather no Niger we. Ai. Ana hina ko ya